Guys, welcome back. I've done some upgrades to both the TFL and the G30, with the primary change being the TFL now running the same power system as the G30. Previously, it was running a 3660 2200 kV and a firmer 120 amp ESC. Now it's running a Rocket 4074 2250 kV motor paired with a Flycolor 150, driving a 4314 two-blade propeller. Performance increased noticeably and operating temperatures remain well within acceptable limits. Headroom is there to prop up further, although I haven't decided if that's necessary yet. I also replaced the battery connectors. On a previous run, the EC5 connector on the G30 overheated to the point where it fused together, forcing me to cut it off. Both boats are now running QS8 connectors. Post-run inspections showed no heat buildup at connectors or wiring. Everything remained cool to the touch. The only drawback is the additional weight of the QS8s compared to the EC5s. This outing was limited to a short wet test to verify connector temperatures. The larger motor and ESC and potentially the added weight of the QS8 connectors shifted the center of gravity on the TFL, which affected balance. This is a straightforward adjustment and will be addressed during the next session. I'll have a full day available for setup and tuning on the next outing, where CG, ride attitude, and prop selection will be refined. I was also racing daylight during this run, so this was strictly a preliminary test. So stay safe and enjoy the run.